CPD for me to help Aussies, young, wild and free, living by the seas. CPD, I here for these, easy in 3 steps for me. With the barristers and lawyers here, I play, cause the spirit of love, we guide, we share, we strive, we can.
Thank you, Paula. Thank you for the opportunity to run this workshop today, which is also a very important topic. I'd just like to give you a bit of a snapshot that's brought me here today. Having been a primary teacher, high school teacher, and worked in vocational education for a long time, my experience working with lawyers has been, quite extensive, as you can imagine. So one of the things that I found very interesting, having worked with lawyers in the past, is often the people who are coming into a law firm aren't always necessarily feel so welcomed. And when you're not feeling welcomed in a place, what it does is have you feel a little bit uncomfortable. So when we're talking about bullying, sometimes even the subtlety of that happens. And we want to understand from each of you what it is that you expect from today. What are some of the questions that you have? And what is some of the information that you want to go away knowing to make your time worthwhile here today? And what is it about this allyship? How do you be an ally in the workplace? Because that's a really important question as well. So if I could just hear from you, as Paula said, either in the chat or if you unmute yourself, that would be wonderful. What are some of the outcomes that you would like to know about bullying or from this hour of power today? So in acknowledging country, I'd like to pay my respects to the elders, past, present, and emerging, and acknowledge all Aboriginal Torres Strait Islanders and other First Nations people here today. So these are the objectives that we're going to work through in terms of clarifying. So if anyone's put any comments in the chat, what is it that you would like to go away knowing so that it's really worthwhile for you to have been here today? So the definition of bullying, lovely, thank you. And thanks, Frank. And anything else that anybody would like to share? So these are the things that we will cover, the strategy, some of the ways that you can do that, empowering yourself about being a upstander, not a bystander. And this is a very important topic, particularly with the way that people are perhaps not supporting or not being supportive of people who are going through some emotional moments over this last little while. And that can also constitute bullying when you're not being an upstander. So what is the difference between bullying and harassment? Making sure that we can spot those indicators, how we're going to foster communication, and then what are some of our action plans at the end of this? So what is it that you can go away doing to improve your stance as an upstander?